Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a really simple tutorial on how to do a pull through braid. So I was actually working with some young women last week and showing them how to just do a regular French braid, a regular fishtail braid, and I noticed some of them struggled a little bit with how to hold the hair, and so I wanted to show you guys today a kind of way to avoid that or almost fake a braid without having to like hold 3 strands of hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that pull through braid. I've worn my hair in this style multiple times. I just wear it all sorts of different ways. Yesterday I wore my hair in two pull through braids all the way down and into a low bun right here. It's really cute. If you guys want to see how that looked, you guys can head over to my Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share if you guys want to share with your friends. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a top section, and this is going to be your base for your hair style. So if you want volume, I would tease it a little beforehand, and then once you have it in place, you can tug it in the way that you want, pull pieces. So if you want a lot of volume, you can do that. And then I'm going to clip that away so that I can get my next section and keep things clean. And then I'm going to split that in half and take the top section and place it right in between it. Then I'm going to go ahead and ponytail that off. That's creating your first braid-like section, and then I'm going to clip it away. I'm going to take the next section, and I'm making these kind of big just to really show you how you can do that. And I split that in half and take that top section and place it in between and ponytail that off. Then you're going to clip that part away again, and you're going to do the same thing. So continue just splitting and placing it in between and ponytailing that off, and you're going to do that all the way down. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and pop in a couple of little hair accessories to complete the look, but this is super duper simple to do, and it doesn't take a lot of practice. You just have to have tiny little ponytails, and if you have darker hair, I would recommend using like a darker ponytail. I just have the little goody plastic looking see-through ponytails that I was using, and that just works because I have very light hair. So let me go ahead and pop in some hair accessories, and I will be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to do a pull through braid, and I think in some future videos I'm going to show different variations of how you can wear this particular hairstyle with the same exact technique. And I hope you guys enjoyed this and that it helped you, and that hopefully if you guys don't really know how to French braid or do any other regular braid, hopefully this can make it a little bit easier for you for trying out some different hairstyles. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.